In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and gracious. This is Sir Javed Palal, and you are watching my YouTube channel. Dear students, today I will discuss with you the second part of Neoclassical Age in Literature. पहले मैं पार्ट 1 इसका डिस्कस कर चुका हूँ, जिसमें हमने जो है नियो क्लासिकल एज के फीचर्स यानी करेक्टरिस्टिक्स डिस्कस किए थे। आज इसका सेकंड पार्ट मैं डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ। आई होप यू विल एंजॉय माय लेक्चर। लिटरेरी ट्रेंड ऑफ द एज, यानी इस एज के लिटरेरी ट्रेंड्स क्या क्या थे। नंबर 1 पीरियोडिकल एसे, नंबर 2 लिटरेचर ऑफ सेंसिबिलिटी एंड नंबर 3 ग्रेवयार्ड पोइट्री। यानी नियो क्लासिकल एज बेसिकली इन तीन ट्रेंड्स की वजह से बहुत ही मशहूर थी। पीरियोडिक एसे, लिटरेचर ऑफ सेंसिबिलिटी और ग्रेवयार्ड पोइट्री इस एज की बहुत ही मशहूर थी। दीज वर द न्यू लिटरेरी ट्रेंड्स ऑफ द एज। नाउ व्हाट इज पीरियोडिकल एसे? Periodical essay was the new literary form that emerged during the early part of the 18th century. Periodical essay 18th century के beginning में एक trend जो था क्रिएट हुआ था 18th century में। It was a non-fictional prose that was published in magazines, newspapers or journals at regular intervals. इस किस्म के नॉन फिक्शनल प्रोज को मैगज़ीन के ज़रिए, न्यूज़पेपर के ज़रिए और जर्नल्स के ज़रिए जो है शाया किया जाता था। These essays mirrored the Augustan age in England. The periodical essay dealt with matters that were contemporary but not immediate with matters and morals, with tendencies of the time rather than actual events. The rise of this form began with John Dunton, Athenian Gazette on 17th March 1691. पीरियोडिकल एसे का बेसिकली जो बिगनिंग हुआ था वो 17 मार्च 1691 को हुआ था, जिसको एथेनियन गैजेटी जो थे उसने दरियाफ्त किया था। जॉन डंटन उसका नाम था। The term periodical essay was first used by George Coleman the Elder and Bonnell Thornton in their magazine, The Connoisseur. The Tatler, the Spectre, the Rambler were the most successful and influential single essay periodicals of the 18th century. Richard Steele, Joseph Addison, Thomas Dickwell, Alexander Pope, Ambrose Phillips were some great contributors to this form. Part 2 Literature of Sensibility. Literature of sensibility refers to a particular type of literature written during the 18th century which focused on feelings of sympathy and sensibility. Sensibility here meant an ability to emotionally respond to beauty and sublimity. It was a revolt against philosophy of Hobbes and other 17th century empirical philosophers. These philosophers viewed human beings as selfish and greedy. Proponents of literature of sensibility believed that feelings were far more reliable guides to morality and truth than abstract principles. Number 2, and viewed human beings as essentially benevolent. A key text, The Theory of Moral Sentiments, 1759 by Adam Smith, contributed towards this movement towards sensibility. Important novels of sensibility: Julie by Jean-Jacques Rousseau, Pamela and Clarissa Harlowe by Samuel Richardson, A Sentimental Journey, and Tristram Shandy by Lawrence Sterne, Man of Feeling by Henry Mackenzie. Plays of sensibility are The Conscious Lovers by Richard Steele, The West Indian by Richard Cumberland. Poems of sensibility: Sensibility by Hannah More, Elegiac Sonnets by Charlotte Smith. Now we are moving towards graveyard poetry. Graveyard school of poets refers to a group of 18th century poets whose works dealt with the themes of death, sorrow and mortality. ग्रेवयार्ड स्कूल ऑफ पोइट्री या पोइट्स इस किस्म के पोइट्स थे जो जिनका थीम था डेथ, सारो और मॉर्टलिटी पे बेस करता था. Often set in a graveyard, the poems mused on the vicissitudes, different opinions of life, the solitude of death, and the anguish of bereavement. Graveyard School incorporated melancholy and expanded the range of emotional responses to death to include grief, tenderness, tearfulness, nostalgia, and other state of mind. Famous poems, poets of graveyard poetry. Number 1, Night Piece on Death by Thomas Parnell. Number 2, The Grave by Robert Blair. Number 3, Night Thoughts by Edward Young. Number 4, Elegy Written in a Country Churchyard by Thomas Gray. What are the major poets of the Augustan age? The major poets of the Augustan age: Alexander Pope, Dr. Samuel Johnson, Thomas Gray, William Collins, Oliver Goldsmith, William Cowper, George Crabbe, Robert Burns, William Blake, generally regarded as a seminal figure of the Romantic age. Major novelists of the Augustan age were Jonathan Swift, Daniel Defoe, Samuel Richardson, Lawrence Stern, Henry Fielding, Tobias Smollett. Who are the major prose writers of the Augustan age? These were Joseph Addison, Richard Steele, John Arbuthnot. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. I hope you people have enjoyed my lecture. I will present my next lecture on romanticism in my next video. Please keep on watching my channel. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.